Hello everyone. Today is Sunday, October 22nd, which is about 2 weeks past our average first frost date here, and it's the end of the line. The weather forecast shows rain for multiple days, and then definitely killing frost coming next weekend. So we're trying to get ahead of it. We're going to harvest everything today. So here's one last look at the garden. Dead corn. There's a cucumber down there. These squash plants that were affected by powdery mildew, we're going to get this vegetation out of here instead of composting it so we can get rid of the spores. Zucchini. There's a couple on there we could harvest. Pretty small. You see the leeks next to them, also pretty small. We didn't build them up at all, so they're not going to have like nice long white parts like the leeks you get at stores. Over here, lots of unripe tomatoes everywhere. Some of these I'm sure are ripe, but most of them are not. Some white currants that are ripe in there. Now the beans are very susceptible to the cold that we've had so far. Some areas around us have had frost. We really haven't, except on the rooftops, but it has been cold enough to take out some of the more sensitive plants. Parsley, tons of parsley. Carrots here. These are the rainbow carrots. And then various peppers. You can see there's some ripe ones. And we've got our parsnips here. Over in the east bed, some green beans hanging on. Again, there are some random tomatoes around. But the thing mostly we're interested in are the carrots and parsnips. These have been growing all season, and we're going to pull these today. Okay, in the big bed, lots of unripe tomatoes again, unfortunately. Some years I'll pick these and ferment them, like make a green hot sauce, but not this year. Unfortunately, just don't really need it. Yeah, just too bad. A lot of them didn't quite make it to the finish line. And then finally the Brussels sprouts with some dew on them. You can see there are a few big ones on the top. The ones on the bottom stayed very small. We'll see if we can harvest any of these and actually eat them. But, oh, hey, one late season raspberry. Interesting. All right, well, I mean, other than doing a quick video showing the parsnips and carrots, okay, here's the fun part. We're going to pull some of our root veggies. First, a Kyoto red carrot. Never grown these before. It's stubborn. Ooh. Nice size, nice shape. Look at that red color. Kind of a dark orange. All right, thank you. Next is the purple nebula carrot, which lives up to its name. They're very dark. This looks like a big one. Oh, it broke. It was huge and it broke. That's too bad. Well, there's more of them to pick. Okay. Like it so far? Now we're going to do a rainbow carrot. You never know what color these are going to be. This one looks like it's yellow. Some are orange and some are more white. Oh, it's orange. Nice, also good size. All right, finally, and this is the real mystery because you can't see the shoulders. We're going to do a parsnip. You never know.
Oh, I broke it.
Oh, it broke. We'll pick another one. Might have to dig these out instead of pull them.
I think you're the top.
Something in there.
Yeah, I think I gotta dig.
All right, well, we're not going to get a parsnip pull on video, but we'll show you what we end up with when we're done. That's it for the season, so thank you for watching, and we'll look forward to a better season next year.